फिनाले आप जस्ट फिनाले शूट करके आए हो. टेल मी हाउ वाज इट?
There were so many shocking things that were happening. All the best friends that were best friends were fighting with each other, exposing each other.
शो है biased?
मुझे लगता है वो थे because I think they took forward those people जो उन्होंने सोचा ही हुआ था कि लेके जाना है.
Roadies guys you mean?
Exactly. Even the directors were like, हमने लाया ही तुझे था कि तू expose करे गुल्लू. Wow, like she's so sweet. Wow, he's so nice. They're all faking it. I think Vishu hurt me too much. Because Suzanne और उनका तो मैं मानती नहीं कुछ. You don't have the balls to come up and just say, Suzanne, whatever it is, I don't be an idol match, don't do whatever. I like this girl and I want to play this game with her. He just disrespected me, saying that like 5 minutes before the challenge, he comes up to me and he's like, Preet, आज तू देख लेना, no matter what, I am going to play with you, I'm going to take your stand. Just 5 minutes later, he's like, I don't want to play with you, I want to play with Suzanne. मेरे पास रिकॉर्डिंग है फ़ोन में. He said so many things about Suzanne. ये इसको मैं क्या ही बोलूँ, इसको अभी एक ही बार बताऊँगा ये वो. And after 5 days, I'm seeing they are making a reel together. I think he did everything for fame. Yogesh was the person who told him to make a connection with Niharika. He knew that she will take him again. I think that's what happened, right?
Bro, what are you saying?
वो ही कहाँ सौरभ ने क्या परफॉर्म किया? I did not see him performing any task like that. See, everybody played अपने दिमाग से. Everybody acted to be who they are just मतलब अपने दिमाग से. कोई किसी का दिल था ही नहीं. Okay, she should not have slapped Akanksha for a fact. That's wrong. I will say that. But Akanksha ने भी दीक्षा के बारे में कुछ बोला था, taking her mother in it, and she does not have a mother. मेरा कनेक्शन निकाला गया. अदरवाइज अगर मैं और मेरा कनेक्शन होता है हर्षित, ठीक है, तो वी पुट अप pretty much dominated.
Hi guys, this is Neola D'Souza and you are tuned into Bollywood Bubble, and finally I am back with Splitsvilla 16 content again, and joining me in conversation today is the Dhakad personality of this season, Preet.
Hi, what's up?
Hi Preet, how are you doing?
I'm doing amazing. How are you?
I am great. First of all, let me tell you, it has been great watching you this season, because you know, all the time when you see thoda sa aise girly girls, it's good to see a Dhakad personality who stands out, you know, and I love your tattoos and
Thank you
everything.
so much. Thank you so much.
But I just want to know, overall, how has your splits journey been? From the start to the end, what did you expect और वो कैसे हुआ बाद में जाके?
So I'll tell you what, my split journey was good also, but very toxic also, because I am not from this background. I don't have friends from reality TV and everything, you know. तो मुझे लगा क्या ही होगा, people will be just like they who मतलब like who they are, you know. बट फिर मैं गई और सब पलट गया भाई. मैं जाके देख रही हूँ सब यहाँ ड्रामा कर रहे हैं, एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं, ये असलियत ही नहीं है इन लोगों की एंड वॉट और. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट एट ऑल. मैं देख रही थी यार ठीक है इंसान एक्टिंग कर सकता है, बट कितना ही कर सकता है भाई. 50 दिन अगर वो एक्टिंग करे तो सोचो क्या एक्टर्स हैं. लाइक क्रेजी. बट आई वॉज जस्ट बीइंग मी दैट आई एम. अगर मैं नहीं लड़ाई करती हूँ तो मैं नहीं करूँगी. जहाँ मुझे कोई पोक करेगा तो मैं करूँगी. मैं वैसी हूँ. एंड इन रियल लाइफ ऑल्सो आई एम लाइक दैट. I look like this, but I'm like, I do not even care.
You're a softie.
I am a softie, you know, but I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you know, you were just saying कि इतनी सारी लड़ाई लोगों ने की है, ठीक है, we'll come to that, but apart from that, I want to ask you कि मतलब Splitsvilla जब आपके पास आया या आपने सोचा कि मुझे Splitsvilla करना है, what was that intention? मतलब आपने सोचा कि Splitsvilla जाके प्यार मिलने वाला है?
I mean, sorry for myself, but हाँ मुझे ऐसे लगा कि I don't know, मतलब मेरे टाइप का बंदा क्या पता हो. What if like I find someone, I meet someone, क्योंकि उस point of time में मेरा recently breakup हुआ था. So I was like, चलो करके देखते हैं ये क्या है सीन. मतलब I was anyways curious about it, like क्या होता है reality TV में और whatever. But I got mind blown for how people were. I was like, I would never ever be with any guy like anybody from that villa.
What are you saying? It's
Yeah.
that fake.
It is
Everyone
very,
is
everybody
acting.
is fake. Everybody, the nicest people you think, wow, like she's so sweet. Wow, he's so nice. They're all faking it. So that was like mind boggling for me at some point because I never expected people to fake it that much at that level. So I was like, please, I just want to go. After some point, I was like, I'm done with this place.
That we saw.
Yeah, because I live around people who are very positive, who are very true to themselves, and who are very true to me. I make friends according to that. I would like, people just being real. If you're rude, just be rude. Just be rude to me. That's all right. I'll
Right.
take it. But don't be nice and then you talk behind my back, or just don't be like two-faced. I hate that shit. I can't do two-faced shit at all.
Who do you think that might have hurted you most in the villa? Like ऐसा कोई था जिसने
I think
actually
Vishu hurt me too much. I
Yeah.
was really hurt by him too much because I literally, like, we were sharing the same room. उसका एक bed था, मेरा एक bed था, because all the couples were sleeping together and I did not have a couple. I did not go and like stay with Harshit or whatever because उतना उसके साथ नहीं था. We were close. We were having fun together in the show. We started knowing each other. तब तक he was in his
Okay.
room and me and Vishu used to sleep in one room because all the couples are sleeping in one room.
Okay.
So I thought he would really respect that, the time we used to like talk all night. आज ऐसे किया, आज तूने ऐसे क्यों नहीं किया? I thought he would respect that, but he did not. He made fun of me in front of everybody. So that's bad.
But then again, there was this time also जहाँ पे विशु ने अपनी feelings confess तो की थी, but फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ?
मैं जैसे ही स्वॉप हुआ, मैं
हाँ.
विला में आई, मैं कोई क्लू ही नहीं था, बताऊं, कोई क्लू ही नहीं था that he used to think like that, मतलब feel like that about me.
नहीं, but again after the villas getting swap and in the very recent episode where like he still said कि वो challenge के वक्त उसने confess किया, but everyone knew that it was coming out very genuinely. And don't you think that Suzanne के तरफ से भी वो लोग सिर्फ गेम के लिए ही है ना साथ में?
For
And he
sure.
said it also कि मैंने commit किया है.
For sure, वो सुजैन और उनका तो मैं मानती नहीं कुछ था ही, because of course they were just for the game, because Vishu thought that everybody told him or gave him a hint that they are an idol match, Suzanne and Vishu.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो उस हिसाब से वो गेम खेल रहा था. But if you're feeling like that for someone and then you're disrespecting that person in front of everybody, saying I like you but I'm gonna play with this girl, like what is that?
Right.
You don't have the balls to come up and just say, Suzanne, whatever it is, I don't be an idol match, don't do whatever. I like this girl and I want to play this game with her.
And a lot of couples did that as well.
Yeah. But I think he was just focused on his game. See, again, I thought he hurt me too much because I thought he was genuinely a very nice person at the beginning, because we were just like best friends. We used to talk
could see that.
and everything. Like, he was my buddy, like a male buddy. But he just disrespected me, saying that like 5 minutes before the challenge, he comes up to me and he's like, not in front of the camera, that Preet, aaj tu dekh lena, no matter what, I am going to play with you, I'm going to take your stand. Just 5 minutes later, he's like, I don't want to play with you, I want to play with Suzanne. Balki Suzanne ne bola tha ki I don't even like you, give me the split coins and you guys make a connection. So I don't know what that thing was, what was the game. He just wanted to play the game, just play the game. Now also, I think outside the villa also, abhi normal life mein also, he's doing the same thing. He's talking to me. He called me when Suzanne spoke shit about me on the internet. मैंने विशु के सामने उसको कॉल किया, मैंने विशु के सामने रोया कि विशु, तू बोलता है तू मेरा दोस्त है, you're so close to me, you can't take one stand for me. That girl is talking shit and you are just like commenting on the reel she's posting. I expected a little bit more than this.
Right.
I cried that time because I was like, if I'm thinking the person is nice, he's just like being rude to me. तो फिर मेरे पास रिकॉर्डिंग है फोन में. He said so many things about Suzanne. So many things about Suzanne कि ये इसको मैं क्या ही बोलूँ, इसको अभी एक ही बार बताऊँगा, ये वो. And after 5 days I'm seeing they are making a reel together. Like वो बंदा अपनी बात का ही नहीं है.
तो अपने recordings कभी expose की?
नहीं. I have a recording of him telling me कि make a video about Suzanne where you tell Suzanne कि विशु तू तो विशु के बिना कुछ नहीं है, विशु ने तुझे आगे लेके गया है, तू विशु, ही गेव मी 4 points, आई रिमेंबर, ही गेव मी 4 points कि तू विशु के बिना कुछ नहीं है, you did not even do a task nicely, ऐसे ऐसे करके. I have that because I was doing video call with him, तो मेरे पास उसकी recording है, but video call में I don't think you can hear.
Yeah, oh my
So
God.
I missed on that, but yeah, I have it. But I don't expose people like that, bro. It's not me.
बट अगेन यू नो एक बार शो से बाहर आने के बाद डिड यू एक्सपेक्ट कि वो होता है ना कि शायद शो में तो इतना सब हो गया, वो तो हो गया, शायद बाहर आने के बाद चीजें बेटर हो, कोई एक्सप्लोरेशन का ऑप्शन हो विद द सेम फ्रेंड यू हैड, राइट, विशु?
Yeah.
बट दैट डिड नॉट वर्क आउट.
No, I think again, when I saw that disrespect coming from his side and this
Yeah.
double face and all that, I was like, I would never be with a person like this. आज मैं तुझे पसंद करके बोल देती हूँ, चल मेरे साथ, let's like see what happens, let's be together or whatever. थोड़े टाइम बाद जाके if he does the same thing behind my back, then that's my problem because I trusted the wrong person again and again and again, and I wouldn't do that. So whatever happens, happens for the good, you know.
I mean, in the show also we saw that you know you were maybe not finding that connect with people, क्योंकि starting में आप एक बार आयुष के साथ थे, फिर आपने सौरभ के साथ परफॉर्म करने की कोशिश की, फिर हर्षित आया, फिर विशु पे जब हर्षित के साथ चीजें बेटर होने लगी तो वहाँ कुछ और हो गया. तो सौरभ से भी मेरी बात हो रही थी और वो टाइम पे जस्ट फ्रेशली वो एपिसोड निकला था जहाँ पे आप लोगों का क्लैश हो गया था परफॉर्मेंस रिलेटेड एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. तो ही सेड समथिंग लाइक यू नो अगर प्रीत मेरे लिए रुकी थी कि यू नो मेरे साथ परफॉर्म करने के लिए, तो वो ऑलरेडी 2-4 बंदों के लिए और भी तो रुकी हुई थी. परफॉर्म पिच किया था, सॉरी, पिच किया
Not at
हुआ
all.
था.
I'll tell you what happened. चलो आयुष की बात वो एलिमिनेट हो गया. I had to stay in the game. I had to
Yeah.
make a connection. ठीक है. तो सौरभ से मेरी बात हुई. And starting when we were in पैसा विला, we were quite like relaxed with each other. हम, और ये मैं नहीं कह रही, ये सब जो विला में थे ना, सबने देखा क्या चल रहा था. ठीक है. Then after come the swap and everything.
But there was no connection. It was just chill mall.
Chill Mahal
हाँ,
and Chill
तो
Mahal like
दोस्ती
no,
types
no, no, no.
हल्की.
We were quite connected. ठीक है.
Okay,
He
okay.
used to tell me that Preet, I'm going to play the game with you. You're my type. I like thick girls. I like thin girl because my ex was. He said because my ex was also.
Yeah.
She was a
A
plus
plus
size
size
model,
model.
no? So I like you're my type. This that I'm going to play. We're going. You want to win the game, no? I said yeah. All that. Like if you're giving someone a hope of being together and suddenly you come up and after the swap he told me that Preet, I think मुझे hint मिला है कि सदफ and I are an idol match, तो मैं उसके साथ खेलूंगा, तू अभी के लिए किसी और के साथ खेल ले, then we'll see. मैंने बोला ठीक है, अब जो ये बंदा बोल रहा है I think he is just like thinking about me, so let's do that. So I was like जो तू बोलेगा वो करेंगे. नेक्स्ट मिनट देख रही हूँ कि कोई उसका दोस्त आके बोल रहा है कि ही इज परफॉर्मिंग विद निहारिका बिकॉज ही वांट्स टू मेक अ लव कनेक्शन विद निहारिका. दैट्स नॉट माय प्रॉब्लम. यू आर गिविंग अ गर्ल दैट होप दैट यू आर नॉट गोना प्ले विद हिम विद हर एंड एवरीथिंग. अगर तुझे पहले से ही मैं पसंद नहीं थी तो सीधा बोलता. मैं लाइक आई एम अ गर्ल विद अ लिटिल ईगो. आई एम अ गर्ल हु थिंक्स कि आई एंड एवरी गर्ल शुड थिंक लाइक दैट you deserve the best. You should not settle in bare minimum, right? अगर वो नहीं मुझे पसंद करता तो सीधा आके बोल देता कि मैं नहीं पसंद करता, नहीं खेलूंगा. But the guy did not have the balls because he knew that whatever he did was wrong. He gave that hope and he knew it. That's why he did not come and talk to me कि Preet, कि I don't want to play with you. Someone else did. So there only I think is justified that it's not my problem, it was his.
But you know, I must say that like just audience opinion and what we saw, overall Saurabh जब starting में आया था blow up होने लग गया था इंटरनेट पे. It was more like you know राजमा चावल, this hot guy, very green flag बोल दो and everything like that, and all of a sudden when his past came into the picture, it was a shock. It was a literal shock. So were you aware और
I was.
पहले से ही.
I was that he had a girlfriend.
So
he
you
was
knew in the show?
Yeah, that he was dating for 9 years and he had a girlfriend. He told me that we broke up a while ago and everything.
Okay, हाँ.
But I knew that he dated for 9 years. But I think he did everything for clout, for fame. Because Yogesh was the person who told him to make a connection with Niharika. Otherwise, he would not, and I'm pretty sure he would not. But he knew that Niharika already has followers outside. He knew that she will take him again. And I think that's what happened, right?
Bro, what are you saying?
That's what happened. वही कहाँ सौरभ ने क्या perform किया? I did not see him performing any task like that. I just saw Niharika performing. अगर कुछ दिख रहा तो निहारिका की perform. I would say Niharika. I don't like that girl. For a fact, I don't like Niharika. But as a performer, she's quite strong. I will say that because I'm not like a pussy that I will be like, oh, whatever. But yeah, तो वो as a performer, she's nice और वही सौरभ को आगे लेके गई है. And for that fact, he was in the finale just because of Niharika. And he knew that will happen. That was his game plan. See, everybody played अपने दिमाग से. Everybody acted to be who they are just मतलब अपने दिमाग से. कोई किसी का दिल था ही नहीं. Nobody, but I was too naive for that shit. I thought ये बंदा जो बोल रहा, I think he's like just gonna be there and all that. It's like a fairy tale in my head, but I realized later, कि bro, you're too naive for this. So yeah.
I think eventually people also had very mixed feelings for that.
Yeah.
But उसके अलावा अभी आप बोल रहे थे finale. आप just finale shoot करके आए हो.
Yeah.
Tell me, how was it? In one word, just tell me how was it?
It was draining.
Really?
In one word, draining. Oh my God, the shoot went long for like more than 12 hours. Yeah, and there was so many shocking things that were happening. All the best friends that were best friends were fighting with each other, exposing each other.
Can you tell me who?
Oh my God, it was like out. We were also like, what? Like what? What is happening, Vaisa?
बता सकते हो कौन है?
I can try.
Okay,
so
try.
This triangle that is happening, they are going to expose each other like crazy.
Bro, that's already all over the internet. It is.
I know.
And no, अभी पता है क्या हो रहा है इंटरनेट पे जो भी gossip या rumor आ रही है ना 80% of them we know it's going to be true. So we know what drama is incoming.
Oh God, it's going to be crazy.
So Yogesh, Ruru and Akansha are going for a showdown, right?
Yeah,
in the finale.
For a fact they are. And the thing is that some things are going to come out कि मतलब अरे ये भी था, they were so much in love, but that was all fake. Yeah, just imagine.
Even the Jaipur drama and everything is going to go down, right?
Yeah.
Oh, spicy.
And that's gonna come out as they might be seeing each other after.
Oh, that's all. Yogesh and Akansha,
I mean, I want to say it so badly right now. I just cannot. But yeah.
Everybody has their doubts, and honestly, as audience, even we exactly know what is happening, right, guys?
Yeah.
But also tell me, winner पता चला?
नहीं. हम 12 घंटे बैठे थे भाई वहाँ पे, but we still don't know who the winner is. But yeah, we know how the two people are who might just win. Like
two couples who might
just win.
Tell me one thing. This season, do we have 4 winners? Like couple?
No, just one.
Just one only.
Just
okay,
one.
Great.
One couple will win for sure, but still don't know. They're going to just take it out on TV.
Directly.
Yeah.
But this time it was different, na? Live voting. पता नहीं क्या हुआ.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. They are doing this for TRP or what. But I know that MTV got, I think, some 75 million votes for the first time. And that's crazy.
Yes. The viewership has been wild
crazy,
for this season.
Crazy. So I think for that they did the voting thing. But it is kind of unfair for the rest of the finalists because finalists, I'm so sorry, because I think they performed really well, but for the voting they just couldn't make it.
Yeah, fair enough. But also, you know, this season has got so much of hype. मतलब मैंने पता नहीं, मेरा तो ये पहला सीजन है, मैंने देखा सारा 16 सीजन है, ठीक है, अपने
Oh,
लाइफ में.
wow.
Exactly, from season 1 where they were like 2 guys and 13 girls. Yeah, I've started from that season.
Wow, that's crazy.
But this is the last season, and this season actually have got like the बहुत hype, and
That's
it is
crazy.
wild. And I'm so happy for like all the contestants also from the past 2 seasons.
Yeah.
कि चलो ठीक है, trauma तो मिल गया, but at least come on यार, you guys got some fame, and that's
For
great,
sure, for a
right?
fact, for a fact. I feel really blessed कि whatever happened, even if I needed therapy after this place, but I'm blessed that I was a part of the season for sure.
I mean, but it's ठीक है, therapy तो you might have lost something, but you did gain some बहुत अच्छे दोस्त.
For a fact, of course.
This season, as a viewer, as a Splits Paglu officially, I'm telling you, कुछ देखने मिला हो ना देखने मिला हो, कलेश very secondary. Friendships were the first thing जो बहुत उठ के आई है ये सीजन, और उसमें से आपका एक गर्ल गैंग बहुत प्यारा रहा है.
Yeah.
So after the show कैसा चल रहा है? You, Kaira,
I think we
Zalak.
are still intact. The same Behan code will always go on until someone comes in between and tries to, you know, flush us out or whatever. But yeah, I think I really love them as human beings. They are really nice, and I'll just love them. You see, जो fake हैं, उनकी कहाँ है दोस्ती अब? Asmita, Niharika, they were like very close friends. Where are they now? Susanna, Kangsha, very close friends. Where are they now?
Yeah.
You can't keep fake things for a very long time, you know. You can just act upon it. You just can't keep it, I feel. But हमने कभी वो acting की नहीं, क्योंकि हम ऐसे ही लोग हैं. हमें act करने की जरूरत. We are not roaming with each other, taking videos or, you know, doing things for clout for each other. We really feel that as human beings we are nice to each other, and that's all.
And वो feel हो भी रहा था, पता है, देख
Yeah,
के.
abhi bhi you will see that we don't make videos together.
Right.
Me and Zalak, when we are always together, Zalak and me,
Yeah.
always together. तो हम अपने वीडियोस तो डालते रहते हैं.
Of course यार, वो तो सारी लड़कियां डालती है.
Yeah, बाकी मुझे किसी से कोई लेना देना नहीं. I don't run behind people for some followers. Yeah, content.
Content. But tell me, जब फिनाले की बात कर रहे थे तो मैं क्या पूछ रही थी अभी? कुछ तो पूछने वाली थी. हाँ, दीक्षा के बारे में पूछने वाली थी कि दीक्षा फिनाले में आई नहीं, एंड उसने थोड़े स्टोरीज या स्नैपचैट पे कुछ कुछ डाला कि यू नो MTV का एक ही विनर रहना कांस्टेंट है, नहीं है. तो उसको वो फिनाले में नहीं थी, तो हाउ डज शी might have known कि
I don't know how.
तो everyone out of that video is suspecting, क्योंकि उसने बोला कि MTV का शायद एक पैट, she's pissed with the makers apparently.
She should be.
हाँ,
I think.
Yeah, you think so?
I think she should be because जो पार्ट उनने आकांक्षा का दिखाया वो पार्ट उन्होंने दीक्षा का नहीं दिखाया, and that's really wrong because okay, she should not have slapped Akanksha for a fact. That's wrong. I will say that.
Straight up.
But आकांक्षा ने भी दीक्षा के बारे में कुछ बोला था, taking her mother in it, and she does not have a mother. Like Diksha does not have a mother. So उसने बोला था कि your mother should have aborted you or something like that. That's like really hurtful.
It is.
तो maybe उसका reaction निकला वो. So I think यहाँ पे गलती सबकी है. And वो makers को उसका भी side दिखाना चाहिए था. But I don't think उन्होंने दिखाया, क्योंकि मैंने episodes नहीं देखे. सच बताऊं तो.
क्या बात कर रही हो? Haven't watched yourself yet?
No, I have not. Like I just watched
I'm
like
telling you, go watch the first episode.
1-2 episodes मैंने starting का देखा.
Introduction वाला.
I saw that and I saw how freaked out Gullu was and everything.
Yes.
I saw that.
I was about to.
Yeah,
But
first.
bro, tell me, why was Gullu freaked out by you? I mean, there has been a lot out there on the internet. We don't know what is true, what is not. And then Niharika only went on BYOG and then said something which was like shocking. It's
For
okay.
sure.
It's not wrong, I am saying. But चलता है, वो किसी की personal life हुई नहीं हुई, और that doesn't matter. But तभी क्या reaction था आपका? And Gullu
मैंने देखो, everybody knows that Gullu और मेरा whatever scene था or whatever. Then we fought. We had a fight because he said that why did you come to this club? ऐसे ऐसे करके in Delhi. तो उसके बाद हम personally हमारा कुछ हुआ था. So we did not. We stopped talking.
गल्लू बहुत डर गया
He was terrified because because उसको लगा कि मैं बहुत कुछ बोल दूंगी उसके बारे में,
exposed.
expose कर
But
दूंगी.
जैसे आपने बोला आप नहीं करते expose and you kept that dignity.
Exactly,
So hats
because
off to
I
you.
could take so much footage from that, you know.
I know.
Even the directors were like, हमने लाया ही तुझे था कि तू expose करे गुल्लू को.
Bro, actually, I'm telling you honestly, you had the potential to do that and get everything. You could be the main character or the vamp. You could have modified the story
For
your
sure.
way.
For sure.
You could have
But
done that,
I
you know.
just don't want to. I do not want to take that clout out of some other person's name. I have never done that and I will not do it. Like Niharika. उसको क्या था बोलने का? Like that's not even true. Like you're just going and saying that about someone or whatever. Even in the finale, I will say, she does not, I feel like she's so uneducated. She should have been educated to understand how to talk to somebody and how to respect the other person. In the finale, we were normally fighting. That was like a fight because I always fight with Niharika, like everybody says, because I don't like her as a person.
Okay.
So, तो मेरी बात चलते चलते she was like, और कैसा लगा मार खा के आई? She said that. Come on, bro, you are a girl. Something happened to me. You were not there to feel what I felt. That was traumatizing. I literally had to take an anxiety medicine to deal with that shit.
I'm so sorry.
I
what
was
happened
dealing
to you.
with. I know. Thank you, but you know there was so many things going on, and Niharika just like came up and she started talking shit on me. Like, when she said it no on the finale day, I got blank. I did not know how to respond to that because जैसे ही उसने बोला ना मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा होता ना पूरा flashback आया. But I am blessed with a person like Zalak. She understood that I was feeling like this. She knows about my past, my anxiety, because I have been panicking in front of her. ऐसा हुआ है situation. जैसे मैं चुप हुई उसने बोलना शुरू कर दिया. She was like, how dare you, Niharika? Like, you were not even there. You are a girl. Think about this happening to another girl. People, you say you are an influencer. This is how you influencing people that support violence, support hitting each other. So that was very bad. That was very disrespectful.
But what went wrong in the club? Like, did you guys know each other? Was it like a bar fight, or like what went wrong?
I didn't even know that person.
So
I didn't even see her ever. I was new
She
to Bombay.
just charged at you?
Just charged at us. Like, not even me, she charged at Zalak. So she was like, she just came, we were having fun, we were drinking, having fun and all. She comes up and she's like, who let you in this club? I was like, come on, do not do that in front of me to my best friend. You're saying that. I freaked out. I was like, what do you mean? Like, who are you to say that? You have fun, we are having fun, who cares? In a blink, I see she pushing me. In a blink, I see some other guy coming and pushing me and this and that. My tooth broke, my eye swelled up. I ran behind her to find who she is. She ran off. I couldn't see her after that.
So आपको मौका नहीं मिला.
But I also know that she was in this party, Prince ka party, that happened abhi recently. She was there.
Oh.
I wasn't there. That's the problem.
And if you would have been there, then what?
तो अब तो मैं फिर सीधा I would have charged at her. I was like, you're not charged, but I would have said
Confronted,
you're lucky
yeah.
that I did not take your name. Otherwise, you would have been in half murder case because you hit me. That above my face, if you hit, that's half murder.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
But you know, girl to girl, if I was in your place, I would have exposed the name, bro. I would have.
Trust me, I want to do it so bad, so bad.
But what's stopping you?
Because, see,
I know you don't like exposing,
Yeah.
but this is serious. I mean, this is
know.
very serious.
But you see, this is a fact that maybe she just knew about us. Why would some random girl come and say, who allowed you? Imagine
Yeah, and everybody
that.
knows you guys
And she
now.
had some plan in her mind. That's why she came up and she did this. So I don't want her to execute the plan she has in her mind. Like, if she wants clout out of us or if she wants attention out, I'm not giving it to her for whatever the fact it is.
Respect for that.
So that's why I just did not. Baki, if I ever meet her, I will just go and tell her that, bro, you're lucky, bro, that I did not say. Otherwise, you would have just been like leaving this country right now. But you're lucky I did not. So never do that to anybody. No other girl should face what you did.
Yeah.
And I think she's done that before also, because one of my friends knew her, and he was like, do not respond to this, she's a psychopath, she's done this before for clout.
Oh my God.
I'll tell you what, if you guys can guess, then she was in Splits Prince के season में.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's an influencer. I don't even know who she is. Why would some random person just come and talk shit to me?
Time to comment and guess.
Guess, guys. Guess.
Actually, if you can expose her, then go
If
for
you
it.
can expose her, then come on, let's fight this. At least girl, do it.
Exactly. With that, I mean, I quickly want to ask you another question, okay?
Yeah.
ठीक है, बहुत सुना है अभी ना सनी मैम, we all know, मैं सनी मैम के साथ खुद मतलब बैठ के चिल किया है मैंने, मुझे पता है वो कितनी प्यारी है, बट ऐसे क्यों उनकी तरफ ऐसे बाहर आ रहा है कि नो होस्ट बायस्ड है, सदफ एंड आकांक्षा उनके अडॉप्टेड बेबीज है. डू यू व्हेन यू आर स्टैंडिंग देयर, एक सिचुएशन हो जाता है, तभी कभी आपको देख के लगा है कि होस्ट बायस्ड है या वो एक्चुअली सिचुएशन के हिसाब से ही रिएक्ट
वो
कर रहे हैं?
सिचुएशन के हिसाब से नहीं, बट हाँ, आई थिंक इस सिचुएशन के हिसाब से ही करते थे. देखो, दे आर ऑल्सो डूइंग द जॉब. अब होस्ट बायस्ड है या शो बायस्ड है, वो तो
शो है बायस्ड,
मुझे लगता है वो थे, बिकॉज आई थिंक दे टुक फॉरवर्ड दोज पीपल जो उन्होंने सोचा ही हुआ था कि लेके जाना है.
रोडीज गाइस यू मीन?
एग्जैक्टली. अदरवाइज वेयर आर वी, लाइक वी वर परफॉर्मिंग क्वाइट नाइस. मेरा कनेक्शन निकाला गया, अदरवाइज अगर मैं और मेरा कनेक्शन होता है हर्षित, ठीक है,
Yes.
तो वी पुट हैव pretty much dominated some task and maybe we might be in the finale, but उसको निकाल दिया गया because he got in a fight. दीक्षा को नहीं निकाला गया, she was also in a fight.
Yeah.
So there, I think वहाँ पे they were quite biased. Even in that task where the last task that I played, the पकड़ना swimming वाला, जिसमें I had this grip and everything.
Yes, yes.
उसमें भी I was playing. तो पहले when my first target was निहारिका for whatever the thing it is, मैंने उसको पकड़ के एक तरफ कर दिया, सबको किया हुआ था, but they were like कि नहीं तुम उस तरफ मत करो, towards the pool, turn her and keep her. There were 6 people who were pulling her and pulling me, ठीक है, तो वो मुझे बहुत bias लगा, because अगर तुम गेम खेलो तो clearly खेलो, play like it's a game. And फिर मुझे बीच टास्क में निकाल दिया गया because they were like yes किसी को जाने नहीं देगी और whatever. So I think वो सब चीज़ों से मुझे समझ आया कि चाहे मैं कुछ भी कर लूँ, चाहे तुम कुछ भी कर लो, and you are an outsider, you will be treated like an outsider.
Oh.
So that was unfair, I feel.
Lastly, let's do, because we have a little less time, I wish I could do it more.
Yeah.
Let's do a quick rapid fire. I'm going to
Cool.
ask you a few questions first, and then I'm going to take names and you will give one word for them.
Okay.
Okay? Starting. क्या लोग TRP के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा लड़ते हैं?
बहुत.
Who is the fakest couple?
Vishu and Suzanne.
Who do you like the most in couples?
In couples, Kaira Gullu, for sure.
One guy you really do not like and one girl you really do not like.
Niharika I do not like, and one guy that I do not like would be Saurabh for a fact.
If not, Ayush, Harshit, Vishu, then who else would you have been with? अगर उनका कोई और connection नहीं होता तो?
Mohit. Because I think Mohit is a very nice guy. He's
He is.
genuinely very nice, and he's really very close to me as a friend right now also. He helped me get a house and everything. He's very genuine. I love that person.
So मोहित की बात हो रही है इसलिए him and Anushka are like messed up, or are they dating, or what's
They
happening?
should not date, first of all. Anushka is out of her mind.
Okay.
Yeah, because I do not understand that girl. Ek point mein you're coming and saying Preet hugging me and all that, and next point you're putting a story saying your parents must be so proud because you played that game like that. Bro, you signed up for that.
Yeah.
And that was a game. Take it as a game, not come with band-aids all over you. So I think she's fucked up. I can't understand her also. Mohit deserves better.
Okay.
The best.
Coming to the names now, Sadaf.
Sadaf.
One word for them.
She's, I think, very sweet.
Chakshdeep.
I think too naive.
Akanksha.
Akanksha, she's fine.
Just fine.
Yeah, I mean, she's fine. I don't have a problem with her. She's not really close to me, so she's okay. If I don't have a beef, I would not take a beef.
Yeah, but like describe them. Akanksha, if you want to give one word.
I don't know. She's doing good in her life, I would say.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, maybe a little victim mindset.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
Yogesh
Oh, very sly.
and Saurabh.
Cloud chaser.
Saundarya.
Wild. You love that human being. Love her.
Tain.
Tain, very self-centered.
Diksha.
Diksha, I think you need to have a filter sometimes.
Okay. Suzanne.
Cloud chaser again.
Himanshu.
Himanshu is a good person, but he just talks where it's not needed. So he becomes the bad person. So
Okay.
yeah.
Kyra.
Kyra, she's also like crazy as a human being. She's very emotional, I would say.
Asmita.
Cloud chaser.
Zalak.
My love.
Niharika.
Fake.
Anushka.
Choke me. Fake.
Vishu.
Fake.
Ron.
Ron is a very nice person. He's very genuine. He believes in just being real, I think. Yeah.
Gullu.
गुल्लू दिमाग में उसके बस मस्ती रहती है भाई सीरियस हो जा कभी
Ayush.
आयुष very determined like with his career I think
Mohit.
genuine personality
Gaurish.
Gaurish no, I'm just kidding. I'm
What-
just kidding.
what was that?
I'm just kidding. He's also a very fun guy. यार मेरे
Okay.
दोस्त हैं यार वैसे ही मजाक कर रही हूँ. Yeah.
Okay, lastly, Diptanshu.
Oh, very sly again. He's very, mind, मतलब अपने दिमाग से चलने वाला.
Okay. बट दीप्तांशु से याद आता है ये सीजन में ऐसा क्यों हुआ है कि बहुत सारे लोग ऑलरेडी बाहर डेट करके फिर यहाँ आके फिर से डेट कर रहे हैं. Wasn't it weird because there's an audience who has
very
followed?
weird because
This is weird.
it is very weird. Imagine you're a girl. You know how girls
Yeah.
how girls are very emotional. ठीक है?
Right.
If someone is giving us this flower, we'll be wow, like we love you already, like that, okay? And men are much better. These boys are acting like, oh, we are so much in love. किसी लड़की को तुमने प्यार में पढ़वा दिया, and then you're like, हम शादी करने थोड़ी आए. Bro, get it. You are boys. You don't know how sensitive girls are. This happened with Zalak also. Like,
Yeah.
I think she was too invested in Gaurish.
Yeah, she was. We
She
could
was.
see that.
I've been there. I've seen how, sad it was and everything. So I felt really bad.
But what she did in the end was like a good decision.
Yeah, I think she understood that enough. Like, enough.
Yeah.
Enough. I think she deserves the best. So I feel that boys there were like boys. जो होते हैं ना नए नए अरे खेल लेते हैं इन लोग के साथ क्या ही है लड़कियां ही तो है इनका दिल ही तो है. Imagine we being so sensitive. But I feel that this season the girls killed it.
They killed it.
Killed it.
No doubt. Everyone killed it.
For a fact, the girls killed it. Boys were not even there. Girls were the topic, I feel. And that's
agree.
crazy.
That's nice. I love
That's
it.
crazy.
With that, Preet, thank you so much for this
Thank you.
conversation. I had a lovely time with you and I think our vibe matched.
Yes, let's go.
Go.
Thank you. I had fun.
With that,
Hi, this is Preet and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.